The butterfly's transformation, illustrating the beauty of personal growth and embracing change as a catalyst for spiritual transformation. On an autumn afternoon, Lily and her grandfather Samuel were enjoying a walk in the park. The leaves were changing color and the air was crisp and cool. Lily stopped to admire a beautiful butterfly fluttering among the flowers. "Grandfather," she said, "how does a caterpillar turn into a butterfly?" "It's a fascinating process," Samuel replied. "The caterpillar first builds a cocoon where it sheds its skin and undergoes a complete transformation. When it emerges from the cocoon, it becomes a beautiful butterfly." "That's amazing," Lily exclaimed. "I wonder what it would be like to change that way." "Well, in a way, we all do," Samuel said. "As we go through life, we experience many changes. We learn and grow, and we become different people. In a way, our souls are like butterflies. They are constantly evolving and growing." Lily thought about this for a moment. "So, you're saying that change is a good thing?" she asked. "Yes," Samuel said. "Change is a natural part of life. It's what allows us to grow and learn. And when we embrace change, we can become even better people." Lily smiled. She was glad that she had asked her grandfather about butterflies. She now understood that change was not something to be feared, but rather something to be embraced. And they continued their walk. Lily noticed that the sun was starting to set. The sky was ablaze with color, and the air was filled with the sound of bird song. Lily took a deep breath and smiled. She was grateful for the beauty of the autumn afternoon, and she was grateful for her grandfather's wisdom. Lily learned that change is a natural part of life, and that personal growth and transformation lead to a deeper understanding of oneself. She also learned that change can be a good thing and that it can allow us to grow and learn. Thanks for listening. If you admire what you see, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one.